Hi my friends! Today I'm going to tell you a math trick. I am going to show you a trick to memorize the 2 times table. Let's start. First you need to draw a 5 by 2 grid with 5 columns and 2 rows. If you need one, you can click the link below to download it. So this is the 5 by 2 grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. 1, 2. 2 rows. Now you have to put 10 and 20 in the last column. So this is the last column and you have to put 10 and 20 in it. So 10, 20. And write 10 on the top row of the last column and write 20 on the bottom row of the last column. Next, you need to fill it out like this. 2, 4, 6, 8. This time you say it with me. 2, 4, 6, 8. Again. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now that we've practiced, we can fill this page up. Now it's time to write it. 2, 4, 6, 8, and do the same on the bottom row. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we are going to write it. 2, 4, 6, 8. The next step is you have to put 0 in front of all the numbers in the top row. 0, 0, 0, and 0. And this is the top row. And now we're complete with the top row. And next, put 1 in front of all the numbers on the bottom row. So 1 and 1 and 1 Now we just completed the bottom row. Now my friends, you have the 2 times table from 2 times 1 to 2 times 10. Now we are going to write it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18, and 20. So now we have the 2 times table from 2 times 1 to 2 times 10. But my friends, this is only through 2 times 1 to 2 times 10. So now I'm going to show you how to make one that goes up to 2 times 12. If you need to go beyond 2 times 10, you can follow this method. The only thing is you have to draw a 5 by 3 grid. So this is a 5 by 3 grid. If you need one like this, you can download and print it. Can you remember the way that we filled the last column? This time we have 3 rows. 1, 2, and 3 rows. Now you have to put 10 and 20. And now we are going to write it. So you have to put 10 here and 20 here. Can you guess what is next? You're right! It is 30! So we have to put 30 over here. Like this. Now we are going to follow our pattern again. And our pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's write it on the first row. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we do the same thing for the other 2 rows. Now I'm going to write it. and 2 again. 4, 6, and 8. So the next step is you have to put 0 on the top row. And this is the top row, and you have to put 0 in front of all these numbers. Except 10. 0, 0, 0, and 0. Put 1 on the middle row. So this is the middle row, and we have to put 1, 1, 1, 1 for every number except 20. 1, 1, 1, 1. Put 2 on the last row. So this is the last row, and you have to put 2 on every number except 30. 2, 2, 2, 2. And now we have the 2 times table up to 2 times 15. Now, my friends, we have the 2 times table up to 15, but we usually only use it up to 12. And that's why I am going to fill a chart that only goes up to 12. Look, this chart only goes up to 12. Now we are going to fill it. Two times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. Since we went a little bit further, up to 2 times 15, we did a great job! And I know you can do it because you are so smart! Now you know how to memorize the 2 times table. Download the practice paper, link below. And also practice and master it. I will meet y'all with another math trick. Bye-bye!